So, hello everyone, I'm Aryan Agarwal, and you are watching another episode of CC Conversation brought to you by Corporate Citizen. We have with us right now Miss Ayana Verghese. She's a student, she's an MBA student at SBUT, and she's also specializing in IB, that is international business. But don't worry, we are not going to dive into this bookish knowledge or anything, but we'll be diving more into her life philosophies because she has gone through a lot and her learnings which she has brought to the table. I think this will all benefit us in some or the other way. So let's talk to her and let's see what we get out of this. So firstly, I'd like to thank you, Miss Ayana, that you are in our podcast, and we are looking forward to get some really interesting, knowledge or learnings out of this. So my first question would be that you strongly believe into stepping out of your comfort zone. Why is it so? And would you like to share a moment, an experience, particular experience about it?
Yes, as I shared my speech right now, what I've learned throughout my life is that until and unless you get out of your comfort zone, you will not achieve anything. You have to come out of that cocoon. You have to be out there. Let the people judge you. Once they judge, they have thousand and million of things to talk about. So if it's not you, it will be something else. So it doesn't matter. You have to be out of your comfort zone, and you will, believe me, you will see that you achieve, and you will see the whole staircase of success in front of you.
Definitely. But Ayana, life is all about ups and downs. But how to keep a positive mindset during our downs?
Okay, so basically for me, it can be different for many people because I believe there are so many different perspectives out there, and I love to listen to people as much as I love to talk because you learn so much on a daily basis. So for me, it is saying to myself that if I don't speak for myself, there will be no one to speak for me. So I believe, as I already said, it's my mantra to where I believe that you only live once. So if when you realize that something will probably go wrong, you are already expecting it. And I feel when you expect failures more than you expect happiness, you are getting hurt less. That's what I really believe. I was a person who used to expect so many good things in life, and I used to get nothing out of it, just hurt and just sorrow. So I feel I have to be stuck in a reality and embrace the present moment where there are no illusions. That's why I got so attracted to this TEDx talk. So I feel you have to just be out there. Even if you face failure, you have to just face it and forget it, learn from it mainly. You have to, because I believe something in your life doesn't happen because it's there. It is your destiny. You are supposed to learn that thing. So I feel when you face a failure, you have to learn from it. You have to get up, embrace it, and walk it out.
So as you mentioned that we have to get up, we have to face it, and definitely we'll learn a thing or two out of it. So would you like to share any of your life lessons that you have learned through the hard way?
Yes, I feel as I was talking about expectations, I did hurt my parents' expectations. I did apply for NEET, went, give my 2 years totally to it. And that was my biggest failure. I was not even possibly was able to reach my goal 0.5%. I was failed so badly, and it was so miserable to fail your parents' expectations because they get so disappointed so easily because that's what they have learned throughout their generation, that if your parents are expecting something, you have to do it. And that was a starting point, I'll say, where I thought yes, I will disappoint people. I will break people's expectations, but I have to do something that makes me happy. You have to believe that you can't get yourself disappointed. You can make others disappointed because people have irrational and rational expectations from you. So it's just fight. You just do it in your name.
Definitely. And you also believe in a quote, nothing is impossible, right? So would you like to share any of your achievements, which you have gained through this particular mindset?
I have been a speaker in my last former college where I was able to share my experience and thoughts and everything. I feel it is my dream to be a public speaker, just motivate thousands like you. So, with that thought, I feel when I say nothing is impossible, if someone else can do it, I can do it. There is no hurdle, no barrier in your life. So that's what keeps me going. That is the basic thing. I feel I live a very simple life. Even when I'm doing something or wearing clothes, I will be as simple as possible. I don't like to do extravaganza things. So I feel you be simple and your life will just guide you. So that's where I think nothing is impossible. I include TEDx as one of my biggest accomplishments because it was like I had a dream before coming to SBUP that I want to be a public. Through our induction period, which we have 1 month induction period, and there were so many speakers that came and taught us that how you should motivate yourself, how you can be a public speaker. And there was one teacher who I went and asked, how can I be a public speaker? And she was like, just believe in yourself that you can do. And that was the start. I was like, and when I used to sit in that Audi, the same Audi, I used to tell my friends that one day I will carry that memento with me in my home. I will make my parents proud. I will share my story. And that was it. God made it happen for me.
So it was Ayana's first TEDx, that too at SBUP, and we wish you congratulations for that.
So much.
It was a lovely speech which you have given there. So, coming towards the end of the podcast, I'd like to ask that what's that one piece of advice you'd like to give to someone, who's trying to get out of the comfort zone?
Okay. So when you're getting out of comfort zone, you will hear a lot of judgments. You will face a lot of struggle where your people are telling you that you can't make it. You will not be able to, like, possibly you cannot even reach some level in your life. You will not accomplish what you're dreaming for. So even my mother, even my parents, like not only my mother, even when I told my parents that I'll be sharing this story, the first thing they were like कि तुझे अच्छा लड़का कैसे मिलेगा if you share this story out there. And I was like कि नहीं चाहिए अच्छा लड़का. If people are listening and they are motivated, that's all I need in my life. And बाकी भगवान के हाथ में. I am a big believer of God. I feel अगर universe में है, there is nothing that you can do. And everything is destiny. And one thing I would say is always be kind because people are so cruel out there. One advice I always give to any person who is going through hardship, something wrong is going to happening to you, that doesn't mean you have to be a wrong person in your life. So that's what I feel. That's all I can say.
I think that's a very good takeaway that we can take out of this conversation, that be kind no matter what you're going through. Thank you so much, Ayana, for being into our podcast. It was a pleasure having you. And yes, that's it for this episode. Stay tuned, subscribe to our channel, and we are keen on bringing such videos to you guys. Thank you.